Lightning bolt stretching 477 miles over 3 U.S. states sets world record. Absolutely extraordinary. 477 miles. A single lightning bolt.
Mm-hmm. I think it's stretched from Texas to Mississippi.
Whoa. That is some distance, Will. I mean, it's not a thing I ever would have thought about. What is the world's longest ever lightning bolt? Now I'm going to tell my kids this. I'm going to get home and I'm going to say, you know what happened recently? World's longest lightning bolt ever from Texas to Mississippi. Will Du told me.
Yeah.
That's what I'm going to say.
It's a good fact.
It's definitely, it's not, like I said, it's not something you tend to think about. I know there's different types of lightning. Like sometimes you have a distinctive bolt. Other times you have like a sheet lightning where the whole thing flashes. And then I remember somebody screaming in a video clip about ball lightning. Have you ever heard of that? It looks like a little ball, and then people
That
say,
sounds scary.
okay, so there's like a whole thinking that a lot of times people think that they spot a UFO. It's actually ball lightning.
Just floating around.
It's just the shape of it, the way that the lightning appears. It looks like an orb, sort of.
Do we have an example?
Yeah, we'll give him an example of some ball lightning here. Have you ever seen a UFO, Jack?
Yes, I have. Ball lightning, no, but UFO, yes.
Really? What did it look like? Describe it.
You know, the usual big head, small body.
You're talking about aliens. I said UFO.
The ship?
Aren't
you went
they the same thing?
No, UFO is an unidentified flying object.
Oh,
Right.
yeah. It's
That's
oval shape.
what it stands for. So it would be like you saw a spaceship.
Oh,
Alien, I'm more interested in that story. If you've actually encountered one of those, would they probe you? What happened?
I don't want to
boy.
talk about it.
Right. Okay. So anyway, yeah, you can see how it kind of looks the shape of a ball and floats around a little bit. There was one, I don't even remember what I was watching, but there was like one guy who was able to kind of create it in a lab and take photographs of it, and it looked even more convincing than that. So, but this is insane. WMO has verified 2 new world records for lightning. Just so happens right now, longest distance single flash, 477.2 miles across southern USA, which is 60 kilometers more than the old record in kilometers at 768 kilometers, and the greatest duration of lightning, 17 and a bit seconds over, what was it, Uruguay? Over Uruguay and northern Argentina. So
Wow.
we have a sustained lightning record and a lightning distance record. And if anything else happens with lightning, Willie Doo's going to be the first to let you know.
Yeah, I'm the lightning fact checker.
Any new lightning records, including the release of the Ford Lightning.
Sure.
He'll be.